What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your gear shifter cover. I have the perforated leather one, which matches the steering wheel, but the one I bought is off of Amazon, and it is Alcantara, which matches the seats. I will leave a link down below, and to my surprise, they actually use the OEM plastic housing, and they just rewrap it with Alcantara. They do have other colors as well as ones that with the perforated leather, but it's pretty simple. It does come with a pry tool, but it's honestly not needed. You literally just take it, give it a little bit of muscle, just wiggle it back and forth and lift up, and it's that easy. And just for purposes of the video, as you can see, they are pretty much identical, besides not having the sticker. Pretty decent quality. This is obviously an OEM one. I mean, I guess this one's OEM too, but just aftermarket Alcantara. So in order to install it, you literally just lay it on top and just pretty much just pops in place. It's a pretty decent fit. Fits pretty well. There's very small gaps, but I don't know if it's simply because the material is a little bit thinner compared to the leather. But I mean, overall, it's a great fit and looks great as well. Matches the seat, like I mentioned. I will eventually do the steering wheel as well to match. I don't think I'll do the whole steering wheel. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to do half this part Alcantara and the rest leather. I don't know yet. But just another quick video to show you guys if you guys wanted to do it. I'll leave a link below for this one. But other than that, if you like what you saw, just give it a like and subscribe. I try to post videos as much as I can between work and whatnot. But thanks for watching.